Welcome back to the channel. Today I got this D105 here. There's a small go up a hill. You can see the spring does not look good right there, so it's pretty weak too. I can compress that clutch. This part of the clutch up against the spring up and down quite easily. So I'm gonna try to change the spring without lowering the transmission. I'm holding onto the cap. Let's see if I can get that bolt out here with my finger. Yeah, I can. There we go. Take the cap out. And take the spring. So this is the old spring. This is a new spring. No tension there whatsoever. So what I'm gonna do, put that right there. Make a couple zip ties here. Just gonna put a couple here. Just that looks good. So I rotate the clutch and squeezed it, and I put a channel locks to hold it down. Just put this up here. See how far I gotta compress it down here. Quite still fur. See if I can put the cap on there. Okay, put a little dab Loctite on the mold. Put that there. Press down on it. Well, I've got it started. Put a bolt there, put my ratchet in here. Tighten it down. Cut them tie wraps off here. One. There's two more here. There we go. Tighten her down there. There's one out there. Torque her down to 19.5 inch-pounds. There you go. Next test, see if it goes up the hill. That didn't take too long. Probably took an hour. So yeah, just be careful, take your time, and should be no problem. If you like this video, click thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.